This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Stunning condo in Oxford Park just hit the market. Low maintenance condo situated perfectly on tree-lined lot and meticulously maintained. Recent flooring, interior paint and renovated bathrooms. This condo offers a rear covered patio overlooking the woods where you'll see all kinds of wildlife. 2-bedroom 2 full baths open floor plan. Kitchen equipped with all appliances plus washer/dryer included. For more information, review the details below.